everyone, it's Cara, your favorite PescaVeniVegan. Today is our Meatless Monday recipe. It is from momswithcrockpots.com, and we are using the slow cooker here, the Crockpot, and I am going to tell you this is a really easy recipe, so I highly recommend it. But we're making ours meatless, so it is called Crockpot Cajun sausage and quinoa. Okay, so the sausage we're using is Beyond Meat. It is the hot Italian version, so I thought that'd be a good one for Cajun, spicy. Then the quinoa we're using, which this is 1.5 cups of quinoa. I got this from Sam's Club online. They mailed it to me. It's called Earthly Choice Organic Quinoa. It's a huge bag. I love Sam's. So that's our quinoa we're using, and that's 1.5 cups of quinoa and a pound of the Cajun sausage sliced. Then you use a whole 32-ounce container of broth. So we're using vegetable broth. And then this is real easy. Again, we're almost done. So then you use an onion, a cup of onion chopped. I used a couple of tablespoons of minced onion, which I just ran out of. And then Cajun seasoning blend, it says to use 1/4 teaspoon. So that's what I did. That is what is in there right now. 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and that is it. So easy. That's all the ingredients. I'm just gonna stir it up together. And I always spray my slow cooker with olive oil spray before I put anything in it, just to prevent sticking later. That's it. We're gonna put the lid on, and it's either high for 3 to 3.5 hours or low for 5.5 to 6. So we're gonna do low. So it should be ready between 6 and 6:30 this evening for dinner. So when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. All right, this is the finished product, the Crockpot sausage and quinoa. Cajun sausage and quinoa. It is done. In fact, I think it was done more like, it was on low, but I think it was done more like 4.5 hours or 5 hours in instead of 5.5 to 6. But again, it depends on your slow cooker and how hot it cooks. But it's all ready to go. It smells delicious. Give it a try.